Little Early English Education.
Whoa! Look at this cute royal character! Hello, super learners! Welcome back! Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 30. That is 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30. A small but royal 30. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big tall rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A tall royal body. Beautiful. Now inside the rectangle, draw 2 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3 columns. Now draw 10 horizontal lines going across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count with me. 10, 20, 30. 30 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Draw the left eye, now the right eye. Add the eye details, the pupils. Now draw the cheeky smile. Now draw the little crown. Numberblock 30 is a little royal. Now draw the hands, left hand and right hand. One hand is holding something special. Now draw the watch. Now draw the legs at the bottom. And finally, right next to the crown, write the number 30. 30. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 30. Coloring time. First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eyes black. Sharp little royal eyes. Now pick up orange. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Color the eye outlines orange. Now pick up red. Spell red. R-E-D, red. Color the smile red. Color the crown bottom band red. And the 3 crown balls red too. Left ball, middle ball, right ball, all red. Now pick up yellow. Spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Color the crown yellow. A golden crown. Color the hands yellow. And the legs yellow too. Golden hands and legs, so royal.
We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring, everyone. Color and count, count and color.
Now pick up purple. Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Color the watch purple. A purple royal watch, so stylish. And now the final color. Pick up light yellow, soft and beautiful. Spell light yellow. L-I-G-H-T-Y-E-L-L-O-W. Light yellow. Color the whole body light yellow. Every single one of those 30 blocks light yellow.
Step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers. This knowledge always stays and lasts. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square.
Numberblock 30 always knows the time. A royal watch for a royal character.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is art. Drawing
10 blocks, light yellow. 20, 30, done. And done.
Learning, number blocks fun, drawing and coloring, everyone. Color and count, count and color, learning numbers like no other.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.